You were nowhere to be found. The world is turning around. Yesterday becomes tomorrow. When lies are said to be true, and truth said to be lies. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No truth in this world. No truth in this world. Like a preacher in church who preaches until tears run down his face. But when the sun goes down, he's a hooligan. When the sun goes down, he's a witch. All he's doing all this in the Creator's name. Do you think this is the way God wants it to be? The world is turning around. When today becomes tomorrow, when love becomes true, the future becomes the past. There is no truth in the church, but we don't let us say goodbye.